Hello dear student, how are you? So we are going to start now the new topic of 10th standard part 2, and it is called similarity. In similarity, the first concept is the properties of a ratio of areas of two triangle. Dear student, आपण ती प्रॉपर्टी शिकण्यापूर्वी just complete first basic. We are going to learn what is mean by altitude, what is mean by height and base. एका ट्रायंगल आपण किती हाइट किती बेस काढू शकतो आणि ते कुठे येतात and what is said about that, हे सगळं आपण या टॉपिक मध्ये शिकणार आहेत, या कन्सेप्ट मध्ये शिकणार आहेत. आपणा सर्वांना माझी विनंती आहे की आपण हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत पहा, जेणेकरून आपल्याला ही प्रॉपर्टी निश्चितपणे समजून येईल. So let's start. Look at here on the screen. There are three figures. First figure is called acute angle triangle. Second one is the right angle triangle, and third is the obtuse angle triangle. In first figure, I am going to draw a altitude. I am drawing three altitudes. That means there are three base. Suppose I am supposing base BC. That's why height drawn from the opposite vertex from the A, and it is the, suppose AD is the height. Now I am taking base as a AB. Base as a AB. So I am drawing height from the vertex. Opposite vertex is the C, and also drawing the height from C on the AB. So it will become, suppose ABCD E. Now the last side, remaining side is the AC. Suppose now base is the AC. So we are drawing height from opposite vertex and it is the B. So we know that the all altitude are concurrent, and the concurrence point is called orthocenter. It is known as orthocenter. I am denoting letter by O. Okay, so for acute angle triangle I am drawing three altitude. Now it is also for right angle triangle. So let's start. For right angle triangle, there are two sides already perpendicular to each other. PQ is perpendicular to QR and QR is a perpendicular to PQ. That means what? Jar QR base घेतला, automatically PQ is the height, and PQ, if we are taking PQ as a base, QR is the height. So now remaining what? Suppose let's PR is a base. So we are drawing altitude from Q, and I think it will become like that. So where is the concurrent point? And it is on the vertex, orthocenter on the triangle, Now we are assuming third figure, and it is the obtuse angle triangle. Suppose first we assume the base as a ln. So from M we are drawing a height. It is a height, and also I am taking like that. Okay, so this is the height LMNO. Suppose this is the, I'm taking, suppose P. MN is the base now. So we are drawing height from vertex L, and just we increase our side like that. And this is the exactly second altitude. Now remaining the third altitude is what? From N वरून काढूया. हे बघा. And the point of concurrence is said orthocenter. So it is the here. तर या 3 आकृत्या निरीक्षण केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय दिसते ते आपण ऑब्झर्व करूया. लुक ॲट हियर. इन acute angle triangle, orthocenter inside the triangle. In right angle triangle, orthocenter on the vertex of right angle triangle. And in obtuse angle triangle, it is outside the triangle. तर हे बेसिक आहे, ते आपल्याला त्या प्रॉपर्टीजना आणि पुढच्या काही गणिताला लागणार आहे. सो मला असं वाटतं की हे आपल्याला समजलं असेल. डिअर स्टुडंट, now we are going to start the first concept in 10th standard, topic similarity, and it is called the properties of ratio of areas of two triangle. Observe the figure. In figure, first triangle is triangle ABC, and in triangle BC is the base, so I am denoting as a B1. First triangle, and it is a B1, and look at here, its height is AD, so I am denoting H1. In second triangle, triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, QR is the base, and I am denoting B2 as a base. And height is a PS, and it is the H2. Height, second triangle for H2, B2. First triangle for B1, H1. Dear student, already we know that the area of triangle, and it is the area of triangle is equal to, we know that the formula is 1/2 into base into height. Okay, so I'm now going to use those formula for first triangle. We will be get area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2, base is the BC, so BC into height for first triangle is the AD, and it is said as equation number 1. Now in second triangle, after using that formula, it will become area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base is here, base is the QR, and height is the PS. It is the second equation. Now we are take the ratio. Upon ratio, suppose A and B are any two numbers, then ratio, how denotes the ratio? A upon B. From equation 1 and 2, just we take the ratio of left hand side. Automatically we are going to take the ratio of also right hand side. The value of area of triangle ABC is the 1/2 into BC into AD. Also I am taking ratio of right hand side. Automatically it will become 1/2. This is the value of area of triangle PQR, 1/2 QR into PS. So what is common factor here? I think it is the 1/2 get cancel. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, here is remaining BC into AD divided here it is the QR into PS. So just we are taking a notation for it. Area of triangle ABC, it is a first triangle, so I am taking area of first triangle divided by area of second triangle, so I am taking A2 is equal to BC denotes B1, and AD is the height, it denotes H1, divided by QR is the B2, and PS is the H2. So our property is, now we are going to define the property. Look at here. This is the area of first triangle divided by area of second triangle, and it is said ratio. So let's start, student. The ratio of areas of two triangle. Look at here. The ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of, here look at here, it is a multiplication, a ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Here student, let's start the second property. Observe the figure. Here is the base is a BC and height is a AD. Look at here in second figure, base is a QR and height is a PS. But height are equal. So let's start. I'm taking the property. Previous property is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. Let's here H1 is equal to H2 means heights are equal. So putting those value we will get A1 upon A2 is equal to B1. I am substituting H1 as a H2. So it will become B1 into H2 upon B2 into H2. मी इथला भाग असाच इथे घेतलाय. H2 get cancel. So our answer is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. From that we make the property now. So we make the property now. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Let's start the third remaining property. Dear student, observe those figures. In first figure, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle, height is the AB here and base is the BC. Look at here, in triangle PQR, base is a QR and height is the, I'm taking here PS. But base are equal. So I'm taking first property, it is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. So in that, for that triangle, base are equal. So B1 is equal to B2. Base are equal. Remember that here. So just I'm going to put up I'm going to substitute the B1 as a B2. A1 upon A2 is equal to B2 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. Just I'm substituting B1 as a B2. B2 get cancelled. A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. So property is what? It is a ratio of areas of two triangles with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. आपण पुढील व्हिडिओ मध्ये यावरील उदाहरण घेऊया. आपल्याला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला तर लाईक करायला, शेअर करायला आणि सबस्क्राइब करायला विसरू नका. थँक यू.